What is 2 and 1 over 4 divided by negative 1 and 1 over 4? So let me write this operation. We have 2 and 1 over 4 divided by negative 1 and 1 over 4. When we divide or multiply two numbers, one is positive, one negative, or negative, positive, it doesn't matter. If we multiply them or we divide them, the answer is negative. So we will have negative sign, and now we have to divide these two mixed numbers. So we have 2 and 1 over 4, can write parentheses, divide by 1 and 1 over 4. So first we always concentrate on the sign. Positive and negative, when we divide or multiply, give me negative. Next we will do division of these two mixed numbers. How we do this? We will change these two mixed numbers to improper fractions. So copy negative sign, and in parentheses, how we do this? We multiply denominator times whole number and we add numerator. So first copy denominator. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. We change when we have division. Let me copy maybe first. Divide by. And the second mixed number, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4. So this is equal. Negative sign we copy, and now we have division of two fractions. We copy first fraction, we change division sign to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction. So it will be 4 over 5. So this is equal. Negative sign we copy. We have multiplication of fractions. First we check if we can reduce something. When we reduce, we divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So we have 9, so we cannot reduce with the denominator, and we have 4 and 4, so we can divide by 4, so it will be 1 and 1. So now we just multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 9 times 1 is 9. 1 times 5 is 5. We got improper fraction. We can change to mixed number. We copy negative sign. Copy 5. How many 5s you can put to 9? 1. So we have 1 whole. And 9 minus 5 is 4. We got mixed number. Let's check always. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So everything is correct.